F-18 fly over us.
I heard one. I didn't see it because I didn't look. But a F-18, you said?
F-18.
Yeah, but Philippine Army has those, or the Air Force has those, right? No?
It was a clearly marked U.S. F-18.
US F-18?
Yep.
That's interesting.
Yep.
All right, so we are...
Welcome to Quarantine Town.
Yeah, and we are on our way to walk up to SNR, which is a like a Costco type place. We got some. Umberto got the membership up there. We're gonna get an additional card, I guess. It's a great place for foreigners to get their special dishes that they might want to have once in a while that you cannot buy in regular Philippine grocery stores.
Decent ingredients.
Yeah, so we are still under quarantine, and we are going to take a little walk up there, and we'll see what we can do today. They extended the quarantine, like I think I had a message out yesterday that we are now under 24-hour house arrest, except to do exactly what we are about to do: go up to the store and get us some needed supply. But anyway, you know, you walk here, you see the streets inside the barangay here. It is just eerie how empty it is.
Except the dogs and cats are free to roam.
Yeah, they roam freely.
You're not under house arrest.
Right. That is true. We are following this. I don't follow regular news very much, but trying to follow this with the official sites, and it's a little, I wouldn't say scary, but the increase in numbers. But you had an idea there. You say you think it's because of testing, right? They finally got testing kits now, so now we start knowing
how many actually are infected.
How much this has gone around. Yeah. All right, so this is the access road up to the NLEX.
Northern Luzon Expressway.
Northern Luzon Expressway, right?
Yes.
SETEX stands for what?
Which one?
SETEX. Going to...
that's going to Olongapo or
yeah,
that way.
Maybe that's a South Expressway or something. Goes into Subic. Even the shirt.
The nomenclature is based on what destination they're going to.
Right. That's so anyway.
The nice thing about walking this way is hardly anyone.
Yeah, there's no people, so you don't get mingled up with a large population.
Good social distancing.
Good social distancing. Very few. I mean, everything is pretty much shut down. This street is normally full of activity. Small little food stands and everything, and there's nothing there. But the sari stores that there are a little bigger sari store that sells food.
They're well stocked, huh?
They stock. You know, they're allowed to go to the market every morning, and
they have everything we need.
The interesting part is, you know, I have a friend of mine, another blogger.
Yeah.
He is saying that their business is booming right now because all the small little food stands and stuff where people can buy street food, they're closed. They're off the street. So now people have to cook at home.
And they go to little sari stores.
They go to these little sari stores, and while their store is not little, they have a pretty big assortment of products. And I even see it down in our barangay here. More people are standing in line to get vegetables and fruits and meats and everything.
You basically can find anything you need.
Yeah.
A little sari store.
Yeah. Here's Greenwell. They're opening hopefully next month. Up in there, the public pools and everything. It's pretty nice up there. We go there every year, and it's pretty nice actually. Is that a homeless guy or what?
It's homeless.
He got his house full of umbrellas. I think I see one of my umbrellas there that disappeared. Yeah, it's
the
great.
Umbrella residence.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And then we have the
Christian Academy
for the departed right here.
Yeah, it's a grave resting place.
Memorial Park.
Eternal Peace Memorial Chapels. People build small little houses, you know. You see these houses, right? There's a house for one person that passed away, and
well, no, usually they have them for the family.
Yeah.
It's typical of Europe also.
Southern Europe. Not so much in the northern part.
Yeah. So like we have our mother-in-law memorial ceremony. So the ashes are poured over the sea.
Yeah.
Via the toilet.
Yeah. Look at that. You see all the watermelons over there?
Yeah, look at the melons on that one. Yeah, they have lots of melons over there.
Lots and lots and lots of melons.
They look good too, but
yeah.
I don't know. They've been under the sun for a few days.
Yeah. Unless they take them in fresh every day, I don't know.
Yeah.
But it looks like an awful lot of melons to sell. There got to be hundreds of them there.
They're categorized by size.
Yeah. Categorized by size. So the Eternal Peace Memorial Chapels now open. This is they have people in here today, so we're almost up at SNR, right? That's where we're gonna go today. So this is just a little short walk. Here's one of the main entrances to Barangay Duquit, and
How do you pronounce it?
Duquit. Yeah, and we got some relatives living in here, cousins to my wife, and some of them actually. One of the her cousins, they actually bought a lot of land up in Mabalacat and just moved there over this weekend. So people are getting out of these areas. Once they have enough money to buy a home, land and lot, they move on.
Yeah.
Everybody's in a frenzy. Yeah, the line is all the way to the other end of the.
Yeah, I know.
The line is all the way to the other end of the house. Yeah, that's crazy. When are they closing? Five. 5 o'clock. All right. So that didn't work out too well. Yeah. Yep. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure, but anyway, that mission could not be accomplished. Neither me nor Umberto, we don't want to wait in line. Not like that.
Defeats the whole purpose.
Defeats the whole purpose of social distancing.
Yeah.
So that's
There's an ATM.
all right. Yeah, I don't think there's one.
No face mask.
Here.
Is there an ATM?
You have ATM?
It's inside.
All right. So the bank is telling us that there is no ATM at all.
There is the PB.com is inside.
Yeah, the ATMs are inside the store, and to get into the store, you have to stay in line.
Philippines Bank, there's a BDO, and there's that PB. Whatever.
Yeah, whatever the bank is, I didn't. PB.com Bank. All right. So I guess we come back here a little later and see if the lines are diminishing. I think. Yeah, I should have stayed, or maybe do something different. I don't know. But all we can do is just walk back home. That was the same problem I had this morning with the bank. You know, you get to the bank, right, and there's 100 people.
Nobody obeys the social distancing.
Right.
What I do on this case here, we don't see cars coming from behind us, so we can cross the street.
Yeah. It's easy to cross the streets today. Normally on this street, I
found that there's more shade on this side because the trees further up, there's more trees.
Right. And crossing the streets here is normally a death sentence.
Yes, it's like playing Frogger.
Yeah, and here it is not so bad. All right, so this is a little short one, guys, and be today's update from our life in the Philippines. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share and like our videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.